You know, when I first took this cover off and I was running this thing at 1/4 throttle, and I put this thing on and ran it at 1/4 throttle, and the dyno did this. I go, there's no effing way. Something is wrong. That's what I thought. No, something's wrong. I ran it again. I ran it again. I ran it again. I ran it 8 times. I let it cool down. I came back, and it was basically always right there in that realm. So I let it cool down. I put this one back on, and that original stock power curve came back. And you go, holy crap. But it dawned on me that people love it. People are always sending testimonials about it. You feel it. Probably more than anything else you can bolt on these TBI bikes, 250s and 300s. It doesn't require any ECU remapping. Don't really care what you have for the ECU thing. Just more volume in there. It's the instantaneous throttle response you feel right off the bat. And then you always feel a thing pulling harder. But I'd never tested it at 1/4 throttle. I'd only tested it wide open to make sure there was no adverse effects, because it should shut off at that point and shouldn't affect anything. And it doesn't. And honestly, it doesn't really change anything at 50% throttle runs. So to show you that, it's kind of dumb, a waste of time. But down here at the lower stuff, damn, dude. Yeah, I mean, hey, just read these other people's testimonials. And the funny thing is, they've only come in within the last few days. One's on a 300, pause and read this one. And one's on a kid's 250 SX bike where, you know, or XC, ironically where he tested it against a TSP. I've personally never done that, so this feedback was interesting. So I think we've got it. For 60 bucks, half the price of a TSP thing, probably the best 60 bucks you can spend if you're looking for that instantaneous bottom end response. It's gonna work on all 250 and 300 TBI bikes, obviously. But keep in mind it's gonna give you that hit. But if this is what you're after, well, you know where to come and get it. Thanks a lot for watching, and man, have a great day.